So hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how search engines work. So this is very important for us to learn how search engines work, and which is not taught in most of the courses because I don't know why this is not taught in most of the courses, but I am teaching you because it is necessary for us to learn how search engines work, because we are going to operate on search engine only. We are going to do search engine optimization only. So let's see. So I want to ask you a question, that how often do you search on Google every day? I think approximately 4 to 5 times, or some even 10 to 20 times. So now most people think that Google or other web search engines, they just crawl through all those websites and provide the SERP. Means if I type here a word name mimic, and I type here what does it mean, and I click enter, then we get the result in just 0.33 second, not even 1 second, and we get the results. Now many people think that Google or other web search engines searches the web or websites and provides the SERP, search engine result page. But this is not 100% true. First we need to understand what is crawling. Now what is crawling? Search engines provide their own search results from their own database. So search engines have their own crawlers, like Google has Google bot. These crawlers crawls from websites, links and pages all over the internet and stores them in their database. In other words, search engine bots look for relevant information all over the internet and store them in their knowledge base. That is why we create and submit sitemap using webmaster tools, so that we can tell more about our web structure to search engines. Okay, so these topics are just covered in technical SEO module, so we are not covering these topics right now. So now the most common question is, I just created a website or a blog post or even launched a new website, but it is not showing in Google search results. Why? We had already discussed that with a few moments ago, that Google or other search engines don't provide results directly from websites, but rather they provide results from the sites that they had crawled. This leads us to our next question. How often does Google crawl a website? Okay, so as per our experience and test results, generally it may take up to few weeks to crawl a normal website. Your website or pages will be shown in search results only after crawling of such pages has been completed by search engine spiders. However, the frequency to crawl differs from website to website. For example, a high domain authority like CNN.com publishes fresh and important news content at high frequency. Hence, chances are that Google bot or any other search engine crawlers will crawl websites on daily basis, or even 1 or 2 times a day. So this is possible. Now if I made a domain, I can't make a domain. If I made a website named dhableshwar.com, so it is not ranking. I just purchased a domain from godaddy.com and I made the website named dhableshwar.com, and but the main problem is that it is not showing in the search results. So no need to worry, it will take some time. It will take some time for the Google bot or the crawlers to crawl your website. So it may show up into 2 or 3 days, or it may show in just 4 to 5 days. So don't worry. So I think that you have learned how search engines work by the process of crawling, like Google has Google bot crawler. So meet you in the next video, and then we will learn types of SEO.